Hey, good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here, Midwest Market Solutions. This is Market Insider TV with our opening commentary on Friday, November the 22nd. Good morning, everyone, and let's get you prepared for our trading day. I will be doing RFD TV this morning at 8:15 Central Time, talking about the grain and livestock markets. Hope you have a chance to tune in for that. If not, we will be posting it on our YouTube site a little bit later. So you can sign up for YouTube videos at our website, MidwestMarketSolutions.com, and subscribe to YouTube. You also follow us on Twitter, Brian Hoops Midwest Markets, and we have a text service as well. You just fill out simple form and get signed up on that website. It'll give you text service, give you some market quotes, as well as market information sent directly your way via text. Well, as I said, it was November 22nd, and hopefully you know what happened on this day in history. In 1963, President Kennedy was assassinated on November 22nd at about 11:15 a.m., if I remember right. I was not alive at the time, of course, but I do remember reading about it and learning about that tragic event in our history. So let's look at overnight markets here. First of all, the dollar is higher. We're busting to new highs. This is not bullish for commodities in general, and we've been saying this for some time, looking at our technicals of the market, how it was breaking out to new highs. Then we had a bull flag on the charts, and this market continues just to push sharply higher. Natural gas having a sharp move to the downside, big outside day reversal. Crude oil also lower, stock market slightly weaker, and surprisingly, gold and silver holding in very well given the strength in the dollar this morning. Corn ended 1 3/4 higher, and we have January beans up 5 1/4, meal a little bit higher, oil down slightly, oats a couple cents better, Chicago wheat down 1/4, and Kansas City just a half cent higher. Not much movement out of that wheat. The rally in the dollar is going to cap rallies in the grain markets today. We're going to be left with some short covering, I'm afraid, as probably our main feature, as not much else is going to be able to impact us here. So weather is working against us, as we'll look here in just a second. So let's talk about weather. South American weather remains, it's nearly ideal for corn and soybean seedings and development. There's some rains, much needed rains for Argentina. Brazil keeps its good rainfall pattern over the next 7 days, leaving this crop to go into the ground, what left to be seeded, and to germinate and start growing. Very key rainfall and great start to this growing season so far for South America. One thing that could move our markets today is this December grain options. They expire today, and probably going to see some positioning ahead of that expiration. A lot of clients getting delta neutral on these options, and then you have a delivery period beginning. So first notice day is Friday the 29th. That's the day after Thanksgiving. Deliveries begin Wednesday prior to Thanksgiving. And speaking of Thanksgiving schedule, here's your early schedule listing. No trade Wednesday night, the day before Thanksgiving. No trade at all Thanksgiving Day or Thanksgiving evening. And then Friday, it's a cold, hard 8:30 opening. I'll be doing RFD TV that morning. And we will close early that day as well at about 12:05 Central Time. So let's look at some more information here. Argentina corn planting progress, 45% done versus 40% last year, 44% on average. We are, certainly on pace compared to a year ago. And soybean planting progress, 36% done. Last year we were 33%, 33 on average. So corn and soybean planting in Argentina, both on normal pace, maybe even faster pace than average. We'll get Brazil's updates this afternoon, but crop readings are high in both Argentina and Brazil. So other than that, not a lot of news affecting the grains. The dollar is going to be a big one. Of course, option expiration today, weather in South America, all these things I think serve to cap rallies in the grain markets. Cash cattle trade wrapping up yesterday. In the north, we're 186 to 187 live, 290 dress. That's $1 to $2 better on a live basis, steady on a dress basis. And in the south, 186 live, which is $1 firmer than last week. I thought that's a little bit supportive, better than early week calls, certainly. And cutout values were higher yesterday, so we could get some hedge lifting and a little bit of a bounce this morning as a result. Cattle and feed report comes out this afternoon at 2 p.m. Central Time. Bloomberg has on-feed supplies at 99.9%. Placements at 103.4%, and marketing's at 105.1. So if these numbers hold true, the placements are a little bearish. On feed supplies, virtually unchanged from a year ago. I think there could be a surprise in the placements category. This 3% could be 1% higher, could be 5% higher. I do tend to think we're going to see maybe more cattle moved into pastures and grass because of the rains than what this survey has taken into account. So we'll see what the report says this afternoon. Steer weights yesterday are up 2 pounds from last week at 960 pounds. That's 29 above year ago levels. All right, have a great day, everyone. Good luck, good trading, and as always, we'd love to talk markets with you. Have a great day, and if I don't talk to you again, have a great weekend. Thanks a lot.